Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can uninstall SentinelOne Agent. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining. And this will help you to safely remove the software from your device. So first, you will have to open your control panel on your Windows. So go ahead and search for your control panel. So let's control panel. And once you're here, what you will have to do is go to your programs, and then you will go to programs and features, or you will click uninstall a program. So go ahead and click that. And once you're here, you will look for SentinelOne Agent if you already have it, and then you will just have to click it, and then you will click uninstall, and then you will confirm the action, and you will just have to follow the on-screen instructions so that you will be able to remove the agent completely. Then you will restart your computer to finalize the uninstallation. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.